Hello guys. So guys, today we are starting our today's video over here. This is a place called Dampo. I'm told it's one of the very biggest markets over here. It's very big, so I want us to walk through. Let's go get inside this Dampo market. So from here, kindly, if you've not subscribed to this amazing YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and stay tuned as we are getting into Dampo market. Let's cross the highway, go get to Dampo market. Hello. Hey. Login zako za Citizen na pesa peke yake. ID number kama uko na Citizen. Fanya aje? Ebu ni text ina. So guys, we are going to walk around the entire market and just to know how these people do their business here in Dampo market. Let's go. And it seems these guys are just opened because some spaces are not yet covered. It's 11 a.m. In the morning. That's why most spaces, because I'm told these spaces are always full. And you know, this Dampo market, as I was told before I got into the market, is it only operates on Thursdays, only one day a week. The other days, you'll get this market empty without any business going on. You'll get the shelves closed, and this is because this is a wholesale market where people will meet to come sell their goods wholesale price. And the other days, people do visit different markets here in Mwanza, but Dampo market is the market where they come to do the whole. It's only, in short, it only operates on Thursdays. So let's get the gate and get to the market, right? Fresh baba mambo. Camera hii. So right now they are opening their bales, their sacks, so that they can spread their clothes down here. Most shelves, guys, are not yet open. As you can see, the onions shelves. I don't know what this is. There are many things here that you don't know what the names are. They sell small fish, the omenas. As you can see, the cereals. Imagine these guys, each and every Thursday, they always carry this of the products to this market. And after after they are done with today, they will carry this of their products or their vegetables, their fruits to other markets. It only operates one day. As I told you, people from different small markets around will always come here. This is what I was told when I was entering the market. People from different small markets around, they do always come here on Thursday to buy the things in wholesale price, then go retail them in the other small markets. As you can see, vegetables, watermelons, massive watermelons here. Oh my god. Say guys, all these were brought today. Massive watermelons, guys. Wow. Watermelons. Very fruitful. Very, very fruitful. This is a watermelon, guys. I've got now to that section where the home of bananas now. As you can see, ripe bananas, raw bananas over here. Let me get somewhere and buy some, so that I can. I think I got out of this market. This is the end when you come through this other side. But I will get somewhere, penetrate again back to the market, and let's go get some bananas so that I can squander and yeah.
Wewe meza tu hizo dawa za wewe usinzie hapo.
Baba zangu za kula tu sasa hivi. Shingapi? Shingapi?
Kuna 20 mimi hizi. Nataka za shingapi?
Ndio ambazo naweza kula nimalize.
Naam. Wanasema hivi
shingapi hizo?
200. Wanasema hivi unaumwa wehu. Ipo siku huo wehu wako nicho nikifage
hichi ni kama kamera. Hii ni kama kamera. Natembea nikirekodi nikila matunda, manini, matikiti, parachichi, maembe.
Unajirekodi?
Najirekodi yani.
Hapo unaituma wapi tena baada ya hapo?
Una smartphone? Hii hapa. Hii hapa. YouTube.
Ya kwako?
YouTube ya kwangu.
Kwa hiyo ndo unaituma huko?
Una bei nafuu.
Sisi ni Nairobi lakini. Sasa mbona unarekodi Tanzania?
Nipo Tanzania na rekodi sehemu zote. Masoko lakini pekee.
Sasa unarekodi bila hata kuwajulisha watu.
Wa nini?
Wadau kama hivi. Hapa tumeshanirekodi mimi hapo.
Nini soko lilivyo, lipo wapi, hivyo sasa. Unataka?
Hujanirekodi huko?
Kweli. Nitapause alafu nikuoneshe. Jina hilo hapo.
Village life
and travel. Hilo. Kadi utabaki nayo. Ninazo nyingi. Unaweza baadaye angalia. Subscribe bado.
Nikiingia YouTube ndo ni subscribe.
Usubscribe kwenye hili jina hili. Zote uandike hivyo. Village life and travel. Utapata masoko mengi, utapata hizi soko dogo dogo hizi za Nyegezi. Hapa Buhongwa, zote hizo. Nimeshafanya mpaka kule Dar. Kata huko. Guys, I think this is one of the best markets in Tanzania. Very cheap bananas compared to the other markets that have been in like Muthurwa market. Imagine 5 bananas at Tanzanian shillings 200 bob. Shiba. Asante.
Karibu.
I use only 20 bob, but I'm full. And that mama tried to was like, why are you recording me? Chill, relax. This is a free republic, This market is so big, I'll not manage to go through it all, But I want to try. I want to go to the cloth line, get a trouser, because my trouser is torn out. This place, guys, seems very rocky. As you can see, people are living on stones up there and rocky surfaces and rocky mountains without fear. And also, guys, I also had a video that I did climbing the tallest rocks in this city. Very dangerous village. People are living under rocks. Go check it out if you've not checked it out. It's one of the best videos on this channel here, just here in Mwanza. So let's go to the clothing line because this market is too big. Shingapi? Shingapi? 9. Nataka nyepesi kama hizi kaka, nisipate wapi? Nyepesi tu kama hizi. Nyepesi tu kama hizi, nisipate wapi? Hazipo? Sawa. Unajua
Chaka hivi nani anazo? Sijui. Wetu. Sijui.
Hebu nikazitafute tu. People do get good money from this area, as I've seen, because it seems to be a very busy market. And as I've told you, you can see most of this place is not yet open. Most traders are not yet here. This is just the morning hours when everyone is preparing to come. I think when it gets to around 2 p.m. this market will be full because the shelves, as you can see, are even some of them are not occupied. So by 2 p.m. this market will be full, and I don't think you can get a space to pass as I'm passing through right now, because these shelves that are not occupied are too many. So meaning those traders and people from around who are not arrived at their working places here, but the working shelves are not yet here. So this is Dampo market. I even don't remember the way used entering this market, but let me just trace, because I know I just got inside here from the main highway and I can see the main highway from the other side. So I'm trying to trace the way out from this market. This market is too big. I didn't even walk through the whole market, but it's too big, very busy, as you can see. So guys, this highway that is in front of me here heads to Usagara. Usagara is the town that you get. Take a tuk-tuk, then this tuk-tuk will take you to the famous longest bridge in Tanzania, the John Pombe Magufuli bridge. Thank you guys for having me. Thank you for watching my video. And as I wind up this video, kindly, if you've not subscribed, consider supporting me by subscribing, and feel free to join this channel. Let's end the video, guys. Bye bye.